there it is. It's covered right there. See it? He's got something else. Hey guys, Krish here, back with another video, and today we're going to be driving in Bumblebee again. Still about a week away until Han. It's got delayed unfortunately, but before we begin, I do want to remind you guys, please hit that subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner, hit that notification bell. Your support is greatly appreciated. But without further ado, let's go for a cruise. Alright guys, so I will say that Bumblebee is starting to miss his brother Han. I mean, Han's typically right here, but you know what? It won't be for too much longer because Han, I've scheduled to pick up Han about a week from now, almost exactly a week from now, really. So, Bumblebee, you'll get your brother back sooner enough. Oh shit. Totally just realized that you guys had no audio during that because the mic is right there. But yeah, Han, 3-stage code or 3-stage paint. Never really heard of it too much outside of candy apple red. So I mean, just Google candy apple red, you'll know exactly what I mean. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but the interior is yellow, a bunch of yellow across, you know, a bunch of trim pieces really. Bought the kit from, I forgot what it was called, carid.com or something like that. It's called like the Reman something. Like, it's all high quality vinyl with 3M double-sided tape essentially. It was like a couple $100, but you know, it puts like your own little personal touch to the car, and I mean the color essentially matches Bumblebee. So once I saw that, I had to get it. A lot of people think this is how the car comes stock from factory, but I mean, it looks pretty nice. It just, these things right here didn't stick on the greatest, but everything else stuck on really well. I was wondering, it started to get, I mean, I'm wearing sunglasses, so it is kind of dark, but it seemed to have gotten a lot darker just in that moment. Yeah, just a little cloud blocking the sun. That's all it is. Just gotta do a little check to make sure this is aligned. I mean, there's a chance that it's like turned, but who knows. I don't want to drive too much today. This used to be a car wash. It's a gas station and a car wash. It's nuts how it turned from a gas station on a car wash into a Tim Hortons. Like, what? It's complete opposite. Oh man. For you US, non-border US viewers out there, Tim Hortons is essentially just a coffee shop like Starbucks. It is the Canadian Starbucks. Every single Canadian has drank a Tim Hortons coffee at one point in their life. If you have not tried a Tim Hortons coffee at one point in your life, you are not a Canadian. It's like a rite of passage, really. To get your Canadian citizenship, oh my God, no. Okay, no. God damn. No. Okay, let's get off this damn highway. For your Canadian citizenship, you actually have to sing "Oh Canada" when you're getting your citizenship. You also have to confirm that you've drank a Tim Hortons coffee in your life. True story. I'm not lying. Actually, maybe. I'm lying about one of those two things. You tell me which one. That was absolutely incredible. I love that, man. I love this exhaust. Where's all these sport cars out? Like the other day I saw a GTR near my house. The first time I saw a GTR in my neighborhood. I wish I was recording at that time, but I wasn't. It's like, I'm telling you, the amount of sport cars I've seen when I'm driving in Han, and the times I'm recording right now, there's nothing. Absolute nothing. Come on. This guy's got a piece of wood in his car. Damn, that's like, you know, when you're holding a bat in your car, someone's trying to rob you. This guy just got a 2x4 right there, ready to plank a guy on his head if someone tries to rob him. Damn. God damn. Oh, what do we have here? Decepticon on his trunk lid. We're gonna have a problem, buddy. We're gonna have a problem, buddy. But hey, that Decepticon is pretty weak. He's Corolla. Why would you transform into a Corolla? Come on, man. Like, What are you? There's a 300ZX coming up here. I've always told my dad that we should just like stop off and just make this guy an offer, because it's always covered up. Where is it? It's always covered up. So I don't think the guy's driving it at all. Nice little, there's an A-Class right there. It's coming up, I think. Where is it? Come on. Oh, there it is. It's covered right there. See it? He's got something else covered up there too. But it's a nice blue 300ZX. It looks incredible. Just I've never seen it taken out of that spot. He usually uncovers it, but it's in the same spot. So I don't know if he's actually driving it or not. If it's not running, I mean, I could probably get it for a nice price. Maybe offer the guy like $3,000 or something like that. I don't know. But the 300ZX is a car that my dad really likes, so it'd be cool to get it for him at some point. Just gotta pull up in the Han, the RX-7, so this guy knows I know Japanese. If I pull up with the Camaro, he's like, probably be like, do you even know JDM? Do you even JDM, bro? Gotta slow down. I got a ticket here because I was coming off the highway, forgot to slow down. It was like 2 a.m. There was no one on the road. It was ridiculous. The fact that they would book a guy because there's no one on the road and you're going like 10 over. It was 15 over the speed limit too. 15 kilometers over the speed limit, ridiculous. It's like when guys are out there getting booked 200 over the speed limit and you're out here getting booked 15 over the speed limit. Wait, did I say 200 over the speed limit? I mean 200 and 100, so 100 over the speed limit. So it was this shady taco place near my house. It always had an open sign, but the lights were always off. There was no one in it. It easily was a front for something, like, I don't know. I never stepped in because I always feared that I would never step out. Oh my god. It was literally like right there too, like where that laundromat is. It was literally like right there. Yeah, like it was like that store that's boarded up right now. It's going down to the pylon area, but hey, let's check it out. Bumblebee's brother. Alright, I mean, it's a V6. V6 straight up. I don't see an RS, I don't see an SS. It's a base model. Man. Alright guys, thanks again for sticking around. I'm starting to really enjoy making these vlogs a lot. I think it's gonna be my niche, is gonna be what I stick to. Obviously gotta figure out more content for the vlogs. I mean, I don't know, I'll figure something out. Maybe start vlogging where, you know, check out my sister's store, like, you know, car meets and stuff. I don't know. Gotta figure something out for sure. Follow my Instagram at krish.fd. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because your support will allow me to create higher quality content, higher quality videos, and I'd love to see you guys along for the ride as I continue to build this channel. So I really appreciate your support, and until next time, take it easy.